went to Marawi, I was asked by the media, why are you here? I am here because my soldiers are here, and I came here to die also. Believe me, it is easier to build from scratch than to dismantle the rotten and rebuild upon its rubble. Nevertheless, let us work together and lay a new foundation upon which a better Philippines can be reconstructed. Help me build a better tomorrow. From now on, I will save money for the armed forces of the Philippines. We have lost so much soldiers, and there are thousands already incapacitated to fight. To the critics against the fight, your efforts will be better spent if you use the influence, moral authority, and ascendancy of your organizations over your respective sectors to educate the people on the evil of illegal drugs, instead of condemning the authorities unjustly, blaming for every killing that bloodies this country. But don't get me wrong, I value human life the way I value mine. Each life that is snuffed out translates into future generations' loss. Kayo mag-itito kayo, binibombahan kasi ako ninyo ng ganon. Sabihin na ng mga tao, tama yan. Tama yan si Duterte. Kasi nangyayari. Kayo parang fruit samp, ganon-ganon. Pag na may namatay dyan na marami massacre, na rape mga bata, hindi kayo umiimik. Maya-maya pagdating ng mga and I really do not know whether, I will not attribute anything, ma'am, sa Supreme Court. Maybe I am at fault, so I am sorry if I misquote or I did not have the complete fact. Talagang bully ako, especially to the enemies of the state. Talagang bully ako. I declared martial law in Mindanao because I believe that that was the fastest way to quell the rebellion at the least cost of lives and properties.
Dahil ikaw ang tanging Pangulo.
Those who are on the ground and in the battlefields, and those who are risking their lives for our country and our democracy, I have your backs. To those who oppose and think that all these are efforts that are out of order, I hold myself, me and me alone, should be responsible.
At lalaban kasama mo. Magkaisa tayo, laban natin to. Mayaman magdukha, sama-sama tayo. Muslim, Mano, Kristyano, ang dagdugo mo ay Pilipino. Halina at hawak kamay.
ako may-ari ng pera ng Pilipinas ang tao. Ginagawa ko lang talaga ang paraan para maligayahan ang lahat. Para kayo. Para sa tao. Kung nakinig kayo sa speech, hindi ako presidente para sa mga mayaman.
Hawak kamay tayo.
At samahan sa laban ng ating Pangulo.
Let me end by wishing everyone in the language of the orb. May God keep us forever sheltered in the lakalo of His Son. Salamat.